Do you want to know how you can add the style rule on QuillBot? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add the style rule or your personal style rule on QuillBot. Go ahead and open QuillBot.com on any of your browser you have and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you can see your profile on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and click on account details. After that, click on preferences and you can see your style guide over here. Tap on it. You can create custom rules for different words, suggest up to 5 replacements for each. If you use one of these words, you'll be prompted to trade it for a replacement. So you can see the add style rule option over here. You can create custom style rules so you can quickly replace words when you are writing. So go ahead and click on add style rule, and let's suppose I want to add a word, and you can see the replacement and you can see the details as well. So you can write this and click add. After you do so, you can see the style rule has been added. Now once you go to the paraphraser or grammar checker and write this word, it will be directed to this word and you can see the meaning of the word which you have added as well. You can delete or edit it on any time, and you can see you can also add as much as words you want. After you do so, go ahead and click add and you can see your style rule has been added. So guys, this is how you add style rule on your QuillBot account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.